Tired of being stuck in the 9-to-5 grind? Want to make real money from home in 2025? Good news! Online side hustles are bigger than ever. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just hustling for extra income, here are the 5 best online side hustles in 2025 that actually work and could change your life. 1. Freelance services. Get paid for your skills. Got a skill? Whether it's writing, graphic design, voiceover work, or video editing, platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer let you turn that skill into income. In 2025, demand for quality freelancers is sky high. You set your own hours, choose your projects, and best of all, you're your own boss. Start small, build your reputation, and watch those client requests roll in. Number 2. Selling digital products. Make money while you sleep. Digital products are booming right now. Create and sell ebooks, printables, templates, or online courses, and you only have to do the work once. Sites like Gumroad, Etsy, and Teachable make it easy to reach buyers. Whether it's a budgeting spreadsheet or a photography course, people are searching for what you can offer. It's passive income at its best. 3. Affiliate marketing. Earn by recommending products. Affiliate marketing in 2025 is massive. If you've got a blog, YouTube channel, or even just a TikTok account, you can make money by recommending products you already use. Every time someone clicks your link and buys, you get paid. Amazon, ShareASale, and Impact are just a few places to sign up. The key? Build trust and only promote stuff you truly believe in. 4. Remote customer support. Work from anywhere. Companies in 2025 are hiring remote workers like never before, and customer service is at the top of the list. If you've got good communication skills and a reliable internet connection, this side hustle is perfect. Pay is solid, training is usually provided, and many gigs are part-time and flexible. Sites like Remote.co, Indeed, and FlexJobs have listings posted every day. 5. Print on demand. Start a store with zero inventory. Want to run a clothing brand without touching a single shirt? Print on demand is the way to go. You upload your designs, and companies like Printful, Teespring, or Redbubble handle the rest: printing, shipping, and even customer service. Focus on trending designs, memes, or niche interests, and you could build a whole business from your laptop. These 5 online side hustles are changing the game in 2025. The internet is full of opportunities. You just need to grab one and get started. So which hustle are you trying this year? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe if you're ready to take control of your income.